everyone. So if you're looking for easy to hire remote jobs that you can do from the comfort of your home, then this video is for you, because I'm going to be sharing with you easy to hire remote jobs that you can do regardless of where you are around the world. Now, if you're looking for a remote workplace that values diversities and foster growth and celebrates the power of words, then this website is for you. So on this website, you stand a chance to gain a lot of things. One of the things you stand to gain is paid maternity and paternity leaves, priority leave for difficult times, birthday leave because your special day matters, and 30 days of paid time off for holidays and vacations, internet and wellness benefits to support your well-being, and personalized birthday cards and newsletters, among other things that you stand to gain working with them on this website. So what they specialize more is on translation jobs and transcription jobs, and other stuff also you can find here on the website. You can see from the website, every job here is 100% remote, and to get started with them, you click here where it says join our team. Then you're going to see a lot of job here that you can do depending on the skill you have and what you're willing to do for them here. So if you're looking for transcription and translation jobs, interpretation jobs, stuff like that, you click here and you're going to see what the job is about. You can also see everything that is required of you to do on the job, and if you're interested, you click here where it says apply for the job, and then you fill out this form. You must make sure to have your CV and your resume already prepared before you start applying for this job, because you'll be asked to upload them on the website here. So once that is done, they will contact you to let you know when there's available job. That is if you're qualified to work with them. Now, I did not really get to see how much you're going to earn on the website, but from my research, according to Glassdoor, an average translator on the website makes $35,000 to $60,000 annually. So it's something that is quite long term, and if you're looking to get started, you go to the website. The name of the website is dailytranslations.com. Now check it out. So if you're creative when it comes to naming businesses, the next website I'm going to mention is for you, because on this website all you have to do is just to name businesses and companies. There are lots of people that are looking for people to give them name, maybe even domain name for their website. So those are the kind of things you start to do on this website. Here is how it works. Once you sign up, you submit your best ideas to naming a logo or a slogan contest. The contest holders rate your ideas and submit feedbacks. Then you earn cash awards if your idea is chosen. You earn badges also, points and bragging rights when contest holders like your idea. What it means is that for you to earn money on this website, you are going to enter a contest, and on signing up on the website, you'll be given 2 contests to do, and or once you have the majority of your names liked by people on the website, then you stand a chance of entering into another contest where you stand a chance to earn from $100 to $300 or even more, depending on the contest you join. So if you're someone who have creative minds when it comes to naming things, you know how to give it a try. Now, to get started on the website, you come here at the bottom of the website where it says become a creative. You click there, and then you click here where it says get started. Then you fill out this information. Make sure to join as a creative on the marketplace or as a seller here before you submit your application. That way they know that you're a creative and you're not somebody that is coming to be a buyer on the website. So the name of the website is tom.com or Squad Help. They have different names. I'm going to leave the link to all this website in the description or in the comment section where you can easily see them and check them out. So the next website is a remote work academy where you can find remote work depending on where you are around the world. Now on this website there are varieties of work you can choose from depending on what you can do. And when you come here, you can see their opening. They have SEO expert, web designer, short form video editor, junior recruiter, and so much more. And to get started, depending on the one you want to do, you click where it says apply, and you can see everything that you're supposed to know about the role you're applying for. And once you go through them and you think it's something you can do, you apply for position by clicking here, and then you're going to see a form you're going to fill. You also have to make sure to have your resume ready before you start applying, because you'll be asked to upload your resume on this website. Now, I could not really see how much you get to earn by doing any of this job from the website. So, but from my research on salary.com, an average worker here on the website earns from $50,000 to $8,000 per year working with them here on the website. So if you're interested, the name of the website is octotasker.com. You want to check them out. They have lots of available openings for you to apply to. Before we continue, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to this channel. We make videos about how you can make money online so you don't miss out on any part. We're on the road to 2,000 subscribers. I really appreciate you all for your support. So moving on, the next website is where you find remote jobs also. And on this website, they have varieties of things they do here. They prioritize teamwork, passion and fun, and innovations if you're willing to be working with them here on the website. They are outsourcing the company all these things that they get jobs from different places and they outsource it to people that visit their website looking for jobs. So to get started, you click here where it says check out our openings, and you can see a lot of jobs here that they have listed. There are lots of data entry jobs that you can see as on the website, and so much more you can actually see here on the website. So depending on the one you want, assuming you want to apply as a data entry agent, you click here where it says data entry agent. Then you're going to see what is expected of you to work on the job, and you can see here that the work is 100% remote, and all you need is just a computer and an internet source to get started. So you fill out this information here on the form, and once that is done, you submit it, and once you are qualified, they will contact you, and then you carry on with the next step that is required of you to get started with them on the website. However, I did not still see how much they get paid their workers here on the website, but according to Glassdoor, they pay on the average their data entry worker $30,000 to $40,000 annually. So you might want to check it out if you're interested in working with them. The name of the website is boldbusiness.com, and the next website is one that is in charge of WordPress.com, Jetpack, and so much more. And they are always looking for talented people around the world to work with them to make sure they better their products and services online. Now, this website works like the first one I mentioned because you stand a chance to benefit from them. Things like professional growth, open vacation policies, generous parental leave if you have a family, and wellness support, sabbatical leaves, and so much more. You start again once you're working with them here on the website. Now, how it works is you learn more about the culture and creed and the life of people working with them on the website once you get started with them. Now, if you come here to the website, you're going to see that they have already existing openings that you can actually apply to. That is, if you're qualified to work in positions that they have listed here. And if you're not qualified, they do have other things you can apply to. And then you can check out the interest forms and register your details in case they have any opening that comes out from the openings that are listed here. So if you're interested in design and you want to apply, you click where it says design. Now you can see the things that is expected of you to know before you start making your application to them as a designer. So if you have any of these skills, then you put in your information here on the application form. And once they have openings that you are qualified for, you're going to be contacted to start working for them. Again, the salary they pay is not really made open here on the website, but according to Glassdoor, they do pay $60,000 to over $100,000 in a year to people working with them, depending on the position you're working in for them on the website. So if you're interested in any of this, you might want to check them out. The name of this website is automatic.com. You're going to see the links to all these websites in the comment section so you can easily access them from there. And if you're looking for other work from home jobs that you can actually do, maybe you don't have any of the skills that I mentioned in this video, you might check out this video showing on your screen right now so you stand a chance of having something to do for yourself. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel so you can get more videos from me, and I'll see you in the next.